Lithuania Work Visa Process 2023, Requirements, Guidelines. Work in Lithuania. In recent years, more and more foreign workers have been coming to Lithuania looking for work. Get to know about the Lithuania Work Visa Process 2023. The Government of Lithuania is giving an arrival allowance of €3,444 for relocating. Getting a job in Lithuania is very easy, just need to apply online and wait for the job offer letter. Once your employer offered you a job, they will apply for the work permit for you. The work permit for employment in Lithuania is one of the most common work visas. To work in Lithuania, an applicant must obtain a work permit. In Lithuania, there are many work visa sponsorship jobs available. It is a very small European country with only 2.8 million population. If you are interested to work in Lithuania, get to know about Lithuania Work Visa Process 2023 in this video. Lithuania Work Visa Process 2023. Job country, Lithuania. Visa type, work permit for employment in Lithuania. Who can apply? Non-EU nationals. Why Lithuania needs foreign workers? Lithuania is a country where the population is decreasing daily. Check the chart of Lithuania's population on Google. It is a very small European country with a total population of 2.801 million people. Lithuania is a land of opportunities, and it is one of the hubs of the IT sector with a lot of IT jobs with visa sponsorship and high salaries. A lot of jobs available and the safest country. Lithuania got independence in 1990 and joined European Union in 2004. All rich people left Lithuania and migrated to other countries. Relaxed life. Benefits of living and working in Lithuania. 98% visa success rate. The government will pay an arrival allowance of €3,444. 98% job guarantee. You will get green card residency. Popular types of Lithuania work visas. Work visa for highly skilled workers, EU blue card. Work permit for employment in Lithuania. 1# work visa for highly skilled workers, EU blue card. To obtain an EU blue card for Lithuania, you have a higher education. You have at least 5 years of professional experience. You should have a job offer from a Lithuanian employer. Your profession should be listed in a list of high-skilled qualification which is lacking in Lithuania. 2# work permit for employment in Lithuania, popular one. This is the most common type of work permit in Lithuania. For this type of visa, your employer needs to apply for a work permit. If you receive a work permit, you must apply for a national D visa and enter the country. Lithuania's work visa acceptance rate. The acceptance rate for the Lithuania work visa is 98.7%. Skill shortage list. This is the skill shortage list published by the government. They need a lot of people in these fields and have more chances of getting a job quickly. Steps to apply for the work visa for Lithuania. Apply for the job and get an offer letter. Obtain a work permit. Apply for a work visa at the nearest embassy. Fill out the application form for a national visa. Collect all required documents. Attend the appointment. Processing times usually take around 2 weeks. Lithuania Work Visa Application Website. https://www.renkuosalietuva.lt/n/work in Lithuania. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.